What's up, guys? I'm Kay Scholl. Welcome to another financial awareness video. Okay, $0 Apple Watch. We're going to get to that in a minute, but here's a little background and context for you. So my wife and I just celebrated our 11th wedding anniversary, and we've been so dialed in and focused on hitting our financial goals these past few years that we really haven't made any kind of big deal about hitting milestones like that. However, I felt a little bit guilty for not making a big deal out of our 10-year anniversary last year, so I hopped online to do a little research and found out that steel is the symbol for the 11th year of marriage. Steel? Really? I thought the Apple Watch was perfect because my wife's mentioned it before, and I saw MKBHD do a review video about it recently, and I learned that it was made of steel, and I was like, this is perfect. Perfect. I thought the Apple Watch was perfect. $750? What? Well, anyone that's been married more than a few years knows it's probably not a good idea to just drop $750 without letting your spouse know. So I shot her a text. I'm glad I did too, because she said she didn't want to spend $800. Side note, you know your wife is pretty smart when she knows that a $749 purchase is really more like $800 when you throw in sales tax and Apple Care. Smart chick. I left it alone after that and didn't bring it up again because we agreed it wasn't worth sacrificing our financial goals to spend that much money. Fast forward a few weeks and I still hadn't found the right steel gift, but I checked in on our Amex Rewards Points and saw that we had plenty to spare. For those of you unaware, cashing in your credit card rewards points for retail store gift cards isn't exactly the most efficient use of your points, but this was one way I could do something nice for her because she works really hard. So yeah, I cashed in enough points to get 4 $100 Apple gift cards, and we basically got this Apple Watch for free. We got the SE model for $280. I know it's an aluminum frame instead of steel, but you know, that's pretty much how marriage works. You compromise. Also got Apple Care and threw in a new lightning charger and cord because our daughters always seem to be taking mine because it's the fastest one in the house. Man, growing up in 2020 is so different than the 1980s. If you're using a credit card and not maximizing how you accumulate your points, you need to up your game. Check out my credit score video where I go into a deeper explanation about how to increase your score to over 800. We've been getting some awesome rewards points for using our Amex Gold charge cards and love spending the points after they accumulate after a bit. I should make a video on that. Or perhaps if you've racked up a little too much credit card debt, check out my video right here about how to pay off your debt. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate your time. See you in the next one.